Hey everyone, it's Deb Foglia from the blog Seeking Lavender Lane, and today I'm talking to you about keeping your house fresh and clean. Everybody wants a fresh, clean home, but let's face it, smells happen. I'm always on the hunt for something eco-friendly and safe for my family without an overwhelming fragrance. Something that doesn't just smell like chemicals and mask the smell, but totally eliminates them. Every home needs Oxyfresh all-purpose deodorizer. Finally, we could say goodbye to smelly odors without harsh chemicals, annoying fragrances, and 100% non-toxic and safe to use around my entire family. I personally love the scent. Their unique deodorizer neutralizes odors and is infused with natural peppermint essential oils and oxygen. I feel good using a product that is residue-free and an environmentally friendly odor eliminator. This home deodorizer is super versatile and can be used on multiple surfaces. It's perfect for cleaning my kitchen countertops, bathrooms, furniture, carpets, pet areas, cars, and so many other places. So for over 36 years, they've been helping people and pets smile, smell great, and live happier, healthier lives. Oxyfresh does not cut corners. They have great products for your family and even your pets. From one clean home to another, try Oxyfresh Home Deodorizer. You can find Oxyfresh Home Deodorizer over on oxyfresh.com and Amazon.